Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top best race series for August 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first is called 14 PIP, which is 14 picture-in-picture. Brings the iOS 14 style picture-in-picture view to iOS 13. This series is called Lock Droid, Android lock screen, for which iOS 7 through 12 requires device passcode enabled, config options from settings. This series is called Card Bridge, and open the Card Bridge gives you powers with Card Bridge. You go to any app from your phone and use it on CarPlay. So, does not work on some, like, that's for DRM enabled videos, it would not work on. So, like Netflix, Hulu, might not work on, but you can always use Portal, and you should be able to, when you use the Portal app, you would actually mirror your phone screen to the CarPlay. So it's pretty cool. So, just updated March 19th for supports iOS 13 and 14.5. There was a version for iOS 10, 11, and 12. So you have a different version for that. If it's an issue where the Portal app would always open in portrait rotation, if it's an issue where CarPlay notifications would close bridge apps, fidget crash that would occur when a phone call is received with the bridge app open, general bug fixes and stability enhancements. Next is called Delete Contact, across iOS 8 to 14. So it allows you to delete contacts from your address book. As a trash icon to the contacts and mobile phone applications contact screen. Also allows group delete of contacts and works with all your iDevices. This is called Evanesco, so name after Vanishing Spell HP. It's a small modification which makes your screen content disappear after a defined time of inactivity. This is called Ablaze, colorful animated music backgrounds. This is called iCallU 12 Plus, adds new layer of security to your device to help the user prevent a situation where his device is stolen. So you have all these features. This is called Big Sur Bar, Etsy and HTML widget to have a macOS style status bar. This is called Calm, a beautiful first sight. This is called Notify Fill Pro, see when notifications are about to leave. This is called No Update Badge. This is called No Update Badge. I read Update Badge and Settings, and he sends icons parts iOS 9 to 13. This is called HS13 Beta, smooth, fully customizable HTML HTML widget. This is called Substrate Substitution for Code Substitution. This is called Neo Classic iOS, Nostalgia mixed with Modern Vibe. So it's like the old iOS, style. This is called Shortmoji 2, supports iOS 13.0 and up, brings back life into your keyboard by bringing tons of useful functionalities to your keyboard. This is called Crack Tool 4, iOS 12 to 13, crack tweets in one click. So Crack Tool 4 app and home screen will be added. So it allows you to crack certain tweets with this. This is called Sakal, quickly glance at your upnet's info from the lock screen. This is called Australian Jailbreak Bypass. This is a tweet for anyone living in Australia. Bypasses jailbreak detection on a few Australian apps. This is called Etsy and HTML, allows you to add widgets to your home screen and lock screen. This is called Smart Battery 2, and also mobile substrate tweak. So it gives you ways to save your battery and very smart features. So you have all these features right here. This is called AOD, iOS 12 to 13, always cool, always on display tweak. Next is called ECG Enabler, across iOS 12.2 and above. Below iOS 13.5 plus WatchOS 6.2.5. Listed by an Apple Watch Series 4 Plus, which is brought from ECG enabled countries or regions. This is called Text Counter. I usually count how many texts you have. This is called LibMiro, share library for my tweets. This is called Notify Fill Pro, includes dynamic colors for Notify Fill.